Alright, so here's our third one here. You can see St. Mary's Church, High Hill, Texas is what that says. And as we pan up, there's that one. It's pretty tall up there. Alright, so let's go look on the inside of this one. Show you a little bit around here as we walk in. That crossover says 1901. Okay, here's the sides here. You can see the color of things. Just get this side for you real fast. Oh, here, let's go ahead and get this stained glass ceiling. And this doorway here is like an arch. Kind of neat. And got these swinging doors. Okay. So there you can see some of the stained glass. See the ceilings up there, these ceilings here. Then all that. See all that stained glass?
Beautiful stained glass, and the ceilings are beautiful too.
Yeah. Chandelier right there. No visitors beyond this point. So again, just like that other one, they don't want you up on the altar. So you need to stay down from that, but we can walk up to this point. Take a look. It does have a lot of nice stained glass, I will give it that. And then that ceiling. Can't even imagine what it would take to build something like that. Stained glass over here. See if I can show you a little bit of the stained glass on this side. Yeah, it's pretty bright, isn't it? Not sure if you can make out too much of that or not, but this side over here you can definitely seem to make out somewhat better. You can tell what side the sun's coming in on. But yeah, that looks nice. And this, let me show you, there's the upstairs part. That's the big organ up there. And then right here where we go out, you see that's made like a big archway, like I said. And man, even the bottom of this second story, wow. Pretty neat designs, gotta say. And then we'll just exit right on out. And since I've already showed you everything here, we'll just go on outside and we'll look around the... Okay. I guess you just have to get out the one door. Alright, so I'll show you around. AD 1906, April the 16th. There's a building back there. And then, like I said, that cross there, it says 1901 on the bottom of it. And yeah, boy, the stained glass, you can't tell much of it back here on this shady side. Let's go look at the other side from the sun. Okay, but see, even that, I mean, so it is made to just be bright and shiny inside. There's the steeple all the way up at the top. And that's it. Alright, so I'm going to try to fly it now, see what I can get.